Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. In previous class, we have completed 5D, right, children? And few of you are making mistakes here only, children. See what I have asked you. You have to write one adjective here, and for that adjective, you have to write the comparisons, isn't it? But you are writing for verbs and you are writing for what? Nouns also you are writing. First of all, see, children, nouns means what? Noun means all naming words. What? Naming words. That means in this world, all names. Names means what? Boy, girl, bat, mandapeta, school, bench, desk, chair, door. All these are the names or not? Names only. Names means all these will comes under nouns, not at all adjectives. Okay, all names can be called as nouns. We cannot write this comparison of adjectives to these nouns. Some of you are writing ball, ballest, ballers. Okay, that is totally wrong. Okay, and next one is verb. Verb means what, children? Verb is an action word. Verb is an action word. That means actions we need to write. Actions, what the actions we will do? Running, walking, playing, eating, thinking, dancing. Okay, all these are the actions or not? Actions only. Verbs we will use for only actions. Okay, few are writing dance, dancer, dancest, think, thinker, thinkest. These all are wrong, children. We cannot write that comparisons to this verbs and nouns. Only we can write for adjectives. Already I have told you adjective means what, children? Tell me, adjective అంటే అసలు ఏమని చెప్పాను? Adjective means it describes something. It describes the noun. నౌన్స్ లేదంటే పర్సన్స్ లేదంటే థింగ్స్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాయి, ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, అవేమిటి, దాని స్థితి ఏమిటి అని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తే వాటి కోసం ఇంకా డిస్క్రైబ్ చేస్తాయి. వాటిని యాడ్జెక్టివ్స్ అని అంటాం. ద రోజ్ ఇన్ రెడ్ ఇన్ కలర్. ద రోజ్ ఇన్ రెడ్ ఇన్ కలర్. అదర్వైజ్ ద రెడ్ రోజ్. ద రెడ్ రోజ్ మీన్స్ రోజ్ హీజ్ హియర్. రోజ్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? నౌన్. రోజ్ ఈజ్ ఏ నౌన్. నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఫ్లవర్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? రోజ్ అనేది ఏంటి? ఒక ఫ్లవర్కి ఉన్న నేమ్. రోజ్ ఏ కలర్లో ఉంది? రెడ్. హియర్ రెడ్ ఈజ్ ది యాడ్జెక్టివ్ బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ డిస్క్రైబింగ్ ది రోజ్. షీ ఈజ్ ఏ స్మాల్ గర్ల్. షీ ఈజ్ ఏ స్మాల్ గర్ల్. టు హూమ్ ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్? ఎవరి గురించి చెప్తున్నాను? ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఏ గర్ల్. అండ్ హౌ షీ ఈజ్, ఎలా ఉంది? తను చిన్నగా ఉంది. తను ఎలా ఉంది? చిన్నగా. దట్ మీన్స్ స్మాల్. ఐఎమ్ డిస్క్రైబింగ్ హర్ బై యూజింగ్ ఏ వర్డ్. దాట్ వర్డ్ కెన్ బి కాల్డ్ యాజ్ యాడ్జెక్టివ్. నేను ఏ వర్డ్ని అయితే యూజ్ చేస్తూ తను డిస్క్రైబ్ చేస్తున్నానో ఆ వర్డ్ డిస్క్రైబింగ్ వర్డ్. దట్ మీన్స్ డిస్క్రైబింగ్ వర్డ్ మీన్స్ యాడ్జెక్టివ్. For these adjectives only we can write these comparisons. Small, smaller, smaller, smallest. Okay, and these colors we cannot compare. Okay, colors కి మనం ఎలాగో కంపారిజన్ రాయలేము. రెడ్ రెడ్డర్, రెడ్డెస్ట్ అని కూడా అనకూడదు. Okay, only we can write. And for verbs we cannot at all, we should not write these comparisons. Okay, adjective means a describing. What? Describing word. Okay, always it describes a noun or a pronoun. Always it's describe a noun or a pronoun. Maybe it is a place, it may be a person, it may be a thing, it may be an animal. All nouns it will describe. Describing అంటే వర్ణించడం. You should never forget this. Okay, మనం ఎప్పుడు మర్చిపోకూడదు. Describing words only will become as adjectives. Okay, not verbs, not action words, not names. All these will not become as a adjectives. Okay, so many of you are doing here mistake, children. Okay, to few of them I have told there itself in WhatsApp only. If I didn't correct you, please correct yourselves now. Okay, only for describing words only called as adjectives. Okay, not a noun, not a verb. Now let's see the remaining exercises, children. Here today we are having the 5E companion exercise. Okay, that means in companion page number 38, children. Observe these sets of pictures. Use the adjectives in the box to compare qualities in each set. One is done for you. That means here they have given some sets of pictures, 4 sets of pictures they have given. Now hint box also they have given. Hint box, what is it? Long, slow, hot, sweet. Now you have to write the comparisons of adjectives. You have to compare the qualities. See, cherries are sweet and bananas are sweeter. That means 2 bananas, and cake is sweetest. Like that you have to write here. Next one, scale. Scale is long, L-O-N-G, long. L-O-N-G-E-R, longer. L-O-N-G-E-S-T, longest. Long, longer, longest. Next, coffee. Okay, fire and sun. Here the coffee will be hot. Write H-O-T, hot, hotter. H-O-T-T-E-R, hotter, and H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest. And next, here tortoise, grasshopper and snail. Okay, here slow, S-L-O-W, slow, slower, slowest. Slowest. Okay, long, longer, longest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Slow, slower, slowest. Okay, like this you have to complete these, children, with neat handwriting. And next, in second question, let's see, children, what is there is. Now you have to frame sentences by using different forms of adjectives. That means you have to write sentences by using the different forms of adjectives. Here they have given sweet, sweeter, sweetest, long, longer, longest, hot, hotter, hottest, and slow, slower, slowest. Like this also, these adjectives also you can write here, you can use here, and you have to frame sentences. Okay, these sentences, for example, to you, for example, I will send in WhatsApp. Okay, I will complete these sentences, I will send in WhatsApp, children, and you also try to do. Okay, this is about today's English class, children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.